Make a great choice today with the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, lumbar support, navigation system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.